Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are solving counting bits, in which we have given an integer n and we have to return an answer of length n plus 1 such that for each I, answer I is the number of ones in the binary representation of I. So let's take an example. If the input is 2, then as you can see the 0 has 0 bits, 1 has 1 bits and 2 has also 1 bit. It's a binary representation. So let's take an example. I've already written the decimal and binary of all the values. So if we take an example of 7, we remove the last bit and count it, and last digit will be shifted. So as it is 0 1 1 1, so we take the count as 0 and then we remove the last bit and check if it is 1 or 0. So as it is 1, so we will increment the count. Similarly, we see other bits, and as you can see here the 2 bits are also 1, so the total will be the 3 bit. Now let's code this solution. First I am taking the vector of int in which I am storing the answers. It will be n plus 1 and I will assign all values as 0, and I will now run the for loop from I equal to 0 to I then equal to n and I plus plus, and I will take I in num and the count as 0. Now I will run the loop while, and as we check for the even odd, so we will take the last bit with the help of reminder. After that we will remove the last bit, and in the end of while loop we will simply return the count of, and in last we simply return the answer array. Let's run this program. As you can see, we have successfully compiled this program, so its time complexity is big of n log n. Let's move to the another approach. As you can see, the 2 and 4 are similar, just like both have 1 bit. Only the difference is the 4 is left shifted once, and similarly 4 and 6 is similar. So for even numbers, the n and 2n is left shifted and the number of bits are same, but for the odd numbers the result will be different. Let's take an example of 7. So 7.5 will be the 3, but its number of bits are 2 and the 7 will be 3. So we have to increment one count in the number of bits. So let's write this code. Let me remove this code. Now we will check for even numbers. If I divided by reminder 2 equal to 0, then the answer will be answer of I divided by 2, and if the number is odd, then answer of I will be answer of I divided by 2 plus 1. Let's run this code. As you can see, we have successfully submitted this problem and its time complexity is big O of n. So to summarize this video, we have used two approaches, in which first one is brute force and second one is observation basis. In the next video, we will continue with the next problem from the Blind 75 list.